Ever wonder if that last slice of pizza or that extra cup of coffee really impacts your ability to focus and study? Well, it's time to delve into the fascinating world of nutrition and mindset and their undeniable influence on academic performance. First off, let's talk about food. Food is fuel, and just like a high-performance car, your brain functions best when it's given premium fuel. That means eating a balanced diet packed with nutrients. Think lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water. These foods provide a steady stream of energy, helping you stay focused and alert. On the other hand, foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients can actually hinder your study efforts. They may provide a quick burst of energy, but it's followed by a crash that can leave you feeling sluggish and unfocused. So, the next time you reach for a snack while studying, go for an apple or a handful of nuts instead of a candy bar. Now let's turn our attention to mindset. Positive thinking plays a crucial role in studying. It's not just about feeling good, it's about boosting your motivation, increasing your productivity, and fostering your creativity. When you believe in your abilities and maintain a positive attitude, you're more likely to persevere in the face of challenges and absorb information more effectively. But how can you cultivate positive thinking? Start by setting realistic goals. Acknowledge your progress no matter how small. Practice gratitude, focusing on your achievements rather than your shortcomings. And remember, everyone has off days, so don't beat yourself up if you're not always at your best. In conclusion, if you want to optimize your study sessions, it's essential to nourish your body with healthy foods and cultivate a positive mindset. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you'll have the energy and focus you need to tackle any study session. And by maintaining a positive attitude, you'll boost your motivation and resilience, making it easier to absorb new information and conquer academic challenges. So, the next time you're preparing for a study session, remember this: your brain needs premium fuel and a positive outlook to function at its best. Make healthy choices and believe in your abilities. Your grades and your body will thank you.